This project is an easy index card pocket that has a little secret. And I'll tell you what the secret is. It's a hidden paper clip. So what you'll need for this is some paper clips. I think just the normal size ones like these are probably perfect for this. And some index cards. I have some that are colored. I have some that are heavyweight. This is an index card that has lines on it. You could even coffee dye or otherwise tea dye, whatever your preference is. And this is one of the heavier ones. Today I thought we would use a colored one, and I'm just going to pull out a pink one. But I didn't tell you what else we need. Besides the paper clip and the index card, we'll need some things to decorate with. And one of the things we need is some strips of paper, or a strip of paper about 4 inches long, wide enough to cover your paper clip. So that's some strips. I have these other papers. I thought that would be pretty, but it's awfully stiff. I don't think it would wrap around the paper clip very well. These are some mulberry papers. This one is mulberry paper also. I thought that might be pretty. Dictionary page. That's not long enough, but music paper would work. This is ledger paper. That would work. This is some coffee dyed paper, just on some, it seems like it's thinner than just regular copy paper. Brown paper would work, and this is the piece of scrapbooking paper. And I thought that part might be pretty to go with this pink card, although it's kind of hard to match up the pinks. Why don't we just use this coffee dyed piece and do this? Another option would be dictionary page, and we may do another one with that because there's a little bit of a trick when you have something that's printed on your paper. So let me just put these aside and we'll get started. You have your index card, and what you do is you just put the paper clip on here wherever you want it to be. I put mine over to the left side. Then you can take your paper, and what you do is you slide it up under. I think I like this side of it better, so I'm going to put it this way. You want the side that you want to show to be underneath at this point. And just slide it all the way up under the paper clip till it is at the top. This may be a little bit too wide, so maybe I'll tear some up on this other side, just so it's not quite so wide. See if I can do this without taking it off. There we go. And you just want to slide the paper up under the paper clip, and then you fold it back over the top of the paper clip like that. And at this point, you can, if you want to, you could make it just a little bit uneven or something, just to have a little more interest there. Or you can make it straight, just make it cover up what's already there, and then come back on the back side and at least cover the bottom of the paper clip, so whatever you put in and take out of this pocket won't get caught. You can go all the way to the bottom of the card if you want to, but I'm just going to stop it right up here, and I'm just going to tear it across like that. Okay, so now that you know where it's going to be and you have it situated, you come back, and what you want to do, you don't want to glue this part to your card, because that you want it to be able to slide something up underneath there. So you put glue around the paper clip here. I like to put some in the middle too. And on the sides, go up to the edge at the top, like this. And then bring it over the top of that and press it down. And then do the same on the back. So you just glue this. Whoops. This part won't be seen, so it doesn't really matter if the edge is uneven or anything like that, as long as it doesn't catch on anything you were putting in the pocket. Okay, so we'll just do that. Press that down. And if you want to, you can put a notch here to indicate it's a pocket and make it easier to take things in and out of it. And since I have this new corner notch, it's part of an envelope making set that came with a scoring board. So I'm just going to make a notch here. And I think I'm going to make it just kind of toward the middle, like that. If you want to round the corners, you can do that. I think I'll do that also. Then we just want to put some decoration on this to give it a little more interest there. And for that, you can use, this is a ribbon. It's some Pioneer Woman ribbon. And it has a pretty piece right there. You could add that going over the top of that. Or there's music page. I've got some pearls, a little piece of fabric, and some stamps, some stickers, some roses, and then there's also these little sentiments that we could use. Tim Holtz sentiments. I think what I want to do is I'll put a piece of this fabric on here. Maybe just a piece of music. I don't want to put too much on there. I just want it to be a little bit interesting and flat so that it doesn't catch on anything. So that just will go there. And then I think I'll put one of the pearls, but I'll glue this down first. And then I'm going to put a sentiment on there with it. This is going to be something I'm doing this week, is doing little short videos that I'm calling hot tips. And it's just some easy things to do to add to your junk journals. And hopefully I can do this every day. This is a challenge that Virginia Kerr of her channel is called This is Virginia Kerr. And she suggested doing a short video every day. So I thought I'd take that challenge because sometimes I have a really hard time getting a video done every other week. So I'm taking the challenge to learn something new and improve my skills. Let's see, I'm going to put that right there. And what did I do with my sentiments? Here they are. You could also use some of these little things too, these little stickers. These are actually planner stickers. But I'm going to put this on here. The Secret of Everyday Things. That's kind of cool, but it's kind of long too. So, with all my heart, in memory of, she had a feeling. True friend. Kind of like something to go with music, but I don't see anything right now. Magic and Truth. Perfectly happy. I think I'll do Makes Me Happy. And let's see, I'll just put it across like that. So that's kind of a simple little cluster there. Nothing too fancy. And then you can choose whatever you like to go under the paper clip. On this one, this was one I did just kind of as a prototype. And this, I had cut this circle out of this index card. It was laying on my desk. And I started fiddling with the brown paper. It was just another piece that was laying here. It had some gold on it. So I just kind of made that as the cover for that. And then this is a business card that I stamped Love One Another on, and I just slid that up into there. And I think I'm going to put some acetate over that hole so that whatever is in the pocket would show through. So that is an option. Other options are, this is one that I just kind of put together a minute ago. You could use ribbon to do this and glue it down over that paper clip and send it to the back. And this is just a business card from a bakery in Mena, Arkansas that I picked up. And it's plain on the back. So you could do some journaling on the back of that. You could put that in there. I thought that was cute with the pink on there and the polka dots. So that's an option. And other options are, I have some cards here. We already talked about business cards. You can cover one side of it with, like this one I covered. That's actually a security paper on the inside of an envelope. These are some scripture cards. That would be pretty under there. These cards are just kind of encouraging little messages. Your own path you make with every step you take. That's why it's your path. Things like that. Don't count the days, make the days count. Those little cards would work also and be cute under there. Even two if you wanted to do that. So that is the options that I came up with. I'm sure there are tons more and other ways of covering your paper clip. And this is washi tape that I particularly like. And if I were going to use it, I would glue it down to a piece of paper first, and then I would use it like I did this. Oh, and the other thing I was going to show you real quick before we go. is if you want to use dictionary page on your paper clip, what you need to do is put it on. You put it on so that it needs to be upside down under here when you first put it in, so that when you bring it back around on the outside, your words are right side up. And then you can bring it down over the back and just tear that across there like that, and you have another card. So I'm not going to glue that right now, but anyway, that's my idea, and I hope you like it. I hope you like the secret of the paper clip. It could just look like a cluster on there if you just had it by itself, just a decoration, but to have it where you can tuck something under there is, I think, a neat option. I hope you'll catch me tomorrow with another idea. I'm listing a playlist of other pocket ideas in the meantime, so check that out wherever it pops up on the screen. Thanks so much. Bye.